Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and today I want to show you some fun stuff I got in from Dress My Crafting. Just take a look at all these yummies. Alright, so, and as always, links are down below to where you can find all these amazing items. Okay, so what we have here, and I already took it out of the box, it was a box of all of these. It was a set. Look how yummy these are. So I'm going to line them up for you to show you what they look like in the box. It was a set of 12, as you can see, and they are little containers of sequins. I mean, just take a look. I love it. So it is a screw top, and then inside it has beautiful sequins. So pretty, so gorgeous. 12 different colors, nice wide range, and they are stuffed. Let me tell you, they are, I won't even open that because it's going to spill. They are to the brim. They are just so gorgeous. Faceted, they do have a hole in them. Perfect for shaker cards, perfect for those little accents on cards or other things. Oops, a couple went overboard. So here we can take a look at a couple of these real fast. I mean, just sequins. Like, gotta love sequins, and love the variety of colors and nice little easy containers for storage, of which I could then use the containers again for other stuff when I'm done with sequins. But let me tell you, the little amount that's in here, it doesn't seem like it's a little. There is actually a ton in here, and it will last a lot longer than you think, because on cards you might only use 1 or 2 sequins, or maybe 15 to 20 sequins in a shaker card of one color. So there is a good probably 300 in here is my guess, and 10 times 12 colors. Oh my gosh. The next thing I got were these. I love these containers too. Totally gonna reuse these. This one's called Red Heart Sequins, and this one's called Say It with Hearts Sequins. It's already a combination pack of a variety of different sequins in a pack. This one has beads along with sequins of different types. It's got hearts, it's got squares, it's got circles, it's got flowers, and it's mostly iridescent with little pops of red, and the red and white hearts are in, and a little tiny bit of pink in there too. This one's more sequins, little tiny glass beads, open hearts, closed hearts, round sequins, small, large, lots of pretty colors. This one's got flecks of gold in it. Again, round and just oh so pretty. Again, perfect for those shaker cards. It's already a mix. All you have to do is just kind of dump it in. So those are easy and set to go. And the last thing, and I'm not going to open this because it's going to make a little bit of a mess, but it's a very fine glitter. This is called Micro Sparkling Dust. Super fine glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. The first 3 dies I'm going to show you right here are all dies that you can use for a variety of different paper crafts. This is floral sentiments that say faith and dream, and it's a flower, and it's already on the stem. I just love that. I can't wait to use that. This one's a really pretty doily. Look how gorgeous this is. And alright, so last die is a die that's a perfect fit for these 2 ones that have words. This one says love you, and I'm not 100%. I know it says the word love on there, but I don't know what the top part says. So I'll have to die cut it and see what it says. But this one definitely, it fits perfectly as a match. So you can die cut this in one color. So you can do this in black, and then you can do this part in white, and it would pop out and be so beautiful. And again, perfect for cards and all different kinds of paper crafts. It would be awesome. The next set of dies are nesting flower dies. I love these. So you die cut these in whatever type paper, fabric, felt, you name it, in different types of papers, in whatever colors you want. You can stamp on them, you can ink them, you can mist them, you can do whatever you want. So that's the kind of the fun part. You can make them whatever color, and then you nest them in themselves. You can even add treatments to the edges of the flowers if it's paper or something, and add, give it texture, have it curl up. You can wet it to make it crinkly, all kinds of fun stuff. And then there is also the stamens that you can put within the flowers themselves. So this is a poinsettia flower, and this one is a 4-leaf flower, and this one's got 5. If you notice, they're different sizes. It gradually goes down smaller and smaller and smaller. So this is a set of 5. You don't have to use all 5. And then this one is also a set of 5, and then this one's got leaves to go with it. So it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, you guys know I have my giant craft mat, but I also love pulling out my Nonstick Craft Mat when I'm doing anything that's kind of like really hardcore mixed media kind of stuff. And so the ones that I have currently, my Nonstick Craft Mats, they're thin. And I got so excited because this is a thick one. I want to say it feels like it's almost double the weight, double the thickness, which means it's sturdier, it's going to have a lot more oomph. And my guess is this thing is going to hold up to the beating in the battering that I do, because I am hard on my mats, and they have got rips and tears and all kinds of crazy stuff on them. They never look as good as anybody else's in their videos, but they still work, but I'm hoping that the thick one will be amazing and hold up to my battery. that I put my mats through. So I picked up a thick craft mat, and I can't wait to try it out for the first time, and it really is double thickness. All right, the other fun one. I always love a good tool, a good gadget, and a good thing, and I'm a sucker for punches. It's one of my, there's certain tools that I go towards, and punching is so much easier than pulling out a die. I mean, I love dies too, but this I can go punch, and I can get in the paper, and boom, it's done. Takes up a little space, but for me, this one's actually going to be great because it's a 3-in-1. I can do 3 different things with this one. So what it tells you to do, so it's 2.5, 2, and 1.5 inches. So I've already pre-cut all of these. Take your 2.5, and it gives you a little bit of grooving right here. So you just slide it right in, and punch, and boom, you have yourself a tag. Look how easy that is. So I have a 2-inch tag, beautiful whole, beautiful top thing in there. Gorgeous. You can make it longer, narrower. You can make whatever size you want. This is 4 inches, just in terms of length. Same thing, 4 inches, but now we're doing 2 inches in width. I'm going to turn it easier to make it right. Punching is really easy on this too. And boom, here's a tag that is now 2 inches in width. And look, they can stack on top of each other. There we go. So picture if these were 2 different colors, that would look so awesome. Then we have a 1.5-inch tag, and there's a little slot for it to fit in, so it fits in just perfectly. And again, punch, and boom, and then here's all the little pieces. I went ahead and did the same in yellow. So I just wanted to show you guys. I may not have cut them to be the right length, but just to take a look at how it could alternate in color, just to give you a perspective here. So isn't that fun? You can definitely see like that's got a little banner here, a little border. I just think that's so cool. And so the possibilities are endless about how many fun different tags you can do. Put these on cards. Now my tag making is easy. I don't have to score it and cut it, and I don't have to worry about getting out a certain die. I can do 3 different sizes, super fast, super easy. Just gotta cut it to the right width and length, and then punch it, and done. I love simplicity. It's so great. If you guys have been noticing my beautiful fingernails, I just got these in. These are from Color Street. The color I'm using is called Fort Worth It, as in like Fort Worth, Texas. And if you are interested in learning how, these are like the nail wraps. They're 100% real nail polish strips. I just think I put them on for the first time. I've never tried them. They went on super simple. They give you a whole bunch of strips in one pack, and they went on very simply. And I still have a bunch left over that I have not finished using, so I can use them for a round. Like one smudges, I can peel it off and start over. So if you're interested in the nail wraps or any of the other items from Dress My Craft, the links will be down there in the bottom for you guys to find it. They are awesome. I don't sell these personally, but a friend of mine does, and she sent them to me, and I was like, oh, these are awesome. I'll have to tell all my friends about it. So there you go. Tell all my friends about it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell button for further notifications. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.